Hello everyone and welcome back to another of my YouTube videos. I actually forgot to do the intro. Okay, so I'm back in the car and you may think, hang on a minute, we didn't see any of this. It's because I didn't show much of it. It's getting quite late. By the time I actually got the driver's seat in, it was about 9:30 and pretty much not very dark, but you know, you couldn't see much outside, so I was just rushing to get finished done in time. So the car's almost back together. There's a few little bits I need to do to actually finish the car off. I'll quickly show you how far I've got. I still need to wire up the heated seats to the actual fuse box externally. It's got a little box in there I need to do and plug it screws into the main power. I've still not done it yet, so we're doing that in a second. Okay, so powered into the fuse box jump down here. That's the permanent live side. And I've soldered the connection into this little fuse holder. Okay, so what I need to do now is push this down out the way, reattaching this plate over the front. That's now on. As you see, anything electrical in my videos, do not copy me at all, as I am not trained in electrics. So if you do copy me, it is purely at your own risk and not mine. Okay, so the bracket's installed, obviously. I've got to mount this plastic part, and that's always helpful. We can try and do it in a way you can see equal. Make it easier for you because you can see what I'm doing. One on that side, and rest that one below you. And somehow I need to get this bolt in down here. Here, the end. Give it now. That's it. That's on. To tighten it down. Oh. That's now replaced with the correct voltage fuse. Plug it in there. Grab this, put that on top and make it official. There you go, my heated seat system is now fully fused and it should be working. Okay, this is a moment of truth. Ignition on. And it works. Oh yes. Perfect. So we have power. I'll turn the key off. And you turn off. The seats aren't still hooked up yet, but at least the switches work. And the relays work. Which means we have power going to the heated seats. That's brilliant. So before it gets too dark to do any more filming, I'm going to end this video now. I've filmed quite a lot with this part of my I filmed quite a lot of footage for this video. So the heater seats are now completely done. I've still got plumbing that on, but it's fine. That'll get done differently. I don't really drive in that chair. I normally drive in this chair, so this one got done first. But I'm going to say that heater seat's done. all working. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you like, and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow. So once again, this has been On a Drive, and I'll see you in my next video.